branches. Okay, it is called as trunk. What it is? Trunk. Branches. See, you can see the leaf also. How about this, children? What is this? No, what is this? Stem. Yes, very good. It is a stem. How about this, children? What are these? Leaves. Very good. Which color is the leaf? Green. Is this stem fresh plant? See, you can touch the plant. Slowly, everyone will get chance. Don't worry, everyone. Bamboo plant. See, from this only they will make paper, furniture and all they will make. Okay, furniture, things they will make. Understood, children? Which plant is that? Bamboo plant.
People, banyan, coconut, mango, banana, tamarind, koramangala, eucalyptus, shloka, neem, people, banyan, coconut, mango, banana, tamarind, koramangala, eucalyptus, shloka.
Money plant. It is a climber. It needs support. Okay, see, its stem is very weak. Correct? Its stem is very weak. It needs support. Understood, everyone? Yes. Stem of the plants, how nice. See the stem of the plants, leaves. See, this is green in color. This is dark green, right? How nice. See the trunk of the plant. See? What is this, children? What is this? Small plant. See the leaf of the plant. What is this? This one? Stem. Very good. See how big the stem is? See the leaf? Nice now? Can you see the small plant here? Yeah. Okay, what is this, children? Root. And what is this? Very good. What is this? Okay, what is this? Very good. See, what is this? Stem, roots, leaves, and branches.